Yeah, how you going? First day of the new year, 2023. Went out fishing in old mate's boat. Yeah, no, we had a half decent day. We got 7 nice grunter. The biggest one was 61 centimetres long. Yeah, so yeah, I can't tell you the secret spot, but hey, it was just north of Townsville. Anyway, there we go. Get it out. Yes. I brought home 3 fish. We got 7. We had a bit of a competition. He beat me by 1 fish. That was a 61 centimetre one. It was caught at the dying stages of the competition. So he ended up with 4 fish. I ended up with 3.
Better than the day before when we went to Lucinda, hey?
It was, but yeah. Oh, yeah, still a bit of ice in there. Yeah, so half decent size grunter. Yeah, so all good.
So now you're going to bring it in and fillet it?
Gonna bring it in and fillet it.
Okay.
Seb, he's gonna fillet the fish. I'm just gonna show him what to do.
Your grabber?
Yeah, right. There you go, mate. Just just cut across there like that. Yeah, you use 2 hands here. Okay, yeah. We're gonna hold it down a bit.
Yeah, let me have a look at this one again.
Just down to his backbone, sort of thing.
Oh, not all the way through.
Oh, well, you can't because he's got his backbone there. You're only going to knock the side off it anyway. Yep, okay. So down the back here, go down the back, hold on to this here, the tail. Yep, and always go away from you so you're not cutting in and cut your hand. Well, you should be wearing a glove here, but I can't find my gloves. Okay, get down.
How deep?
Go down to the bone, you'll feel the backbone.
A bit deeper?
Okay, just run it across. You've got the good knife there.
Now what type of fish are these?
These are grunter.
And are they known for good eating?
Yeah, very good, nice eating. Yeah, good quality fish. Yeah, these are actually quite good size.
Do you get these in the fish and chip shop?
No.
What do they put in the fish and chip shop?
Spanish mackerel up in North Queensland. And there's a bit of shark coming in as well.
Your dad used to have a fish and chip shop, hey?
He did.
Did he teach you how to fillet?
Oh, when I was a kid, he used to teach me how to fillet, yeah.
Is there much money to be made in fish and chip shop?
Oh, there is, quite a lot of money, but there's a lot of hard work as well. Okay.
Just the ribs now, Ken.
Ribs, you just...
Is that a row in there?
Yep, just put it tight. There you go, like that. Okay.
That's a good fillet.
Fillet. Now, put your finger on that, just push down.
Hey?
Push down your finger on this little bit there, yep. Move that away. Down to the skin. And that's it.
So you're skinning it now?
Yeah, skinning it.
So that gets the scales and the skin off all in one go?
All one go.
That's pretty handy, so you don't have to scale it.
No. Well, this is how I do mine anyway. Other people do it different ways.
It'll save you a lot of time, eh?
Yep. And then I cut the rib cage out of here. Cut the rib cage out.
Is that where the bones are?
That's where all the bones are. And there's some bones along here, so I just go
Along where? What bit's that? The belly?
the belly, on the bloodline, just cut the bones out of there. And there you go. There's a nice fillet.
Oh, good job.
Bone free, skin free. Yeah. So it said,
Mine's still got bones in it, Ken.
what's that?
Go a bit
Yeah,
deeper.
yeah, because you've got to debone it. So if you got your fillet out, remember you go right through, knock the whole fillet off. Okay, knock it out, put it over. There's your bones along here.
So you do a little V cut,
Little V cut, cut the bones out.
and that's just from the tummy area.
Yeah,
Well, there you go. It's a handy tip, babe.
there you go. 2 lovely fillets. Yeah.
And
so
then you do the other side.
then you do the other side. Okay, that's it.
How many inches would those fish be?
Oh, those fish there, probably about 44 centimetres long. Legal size is 40. Yep. So you can see what the 61 centimetre. It was a half decent sized fish.
We'll put a photo in of that, eh?
Yeah, we will.
So what's any good tips when people are looking at buying fish?
Oh, when you buy fish from the fishmonger, just have a look at their eyes, make sure they're nice and clear. You know, clear eyes means they're pretty fresh. If they're cloudy eyes and look pretty crook, they're good chance they're not all that fresh.
A bit hungover.
Bit hungover, a little bit old, bit slimy. So nice clean eyes is a good tip.
Like cataracts.
Like cataracts. Okay, so I put my scraps, a bit of newspaper, just wrap it up, put it in the freezer until it's bin day, and then throw them out that morning.
What does Grunter taste like?
Oh, it's nice clean fish. Yeah, nice clean fish.
Is it like one of the softer ones or the hardier ones?
One of the softer ones.
So does it fall apart when you're cooking it?
No, we'll. I'll cut a bit of this bloodline here.
Why?
Oh,
Make it look pretty.
So you can eat that right, don't you, Ken?
yeah, Dad used to eat it.
Is that got roe in it? Can I have a look?
We'll cook a bit up.
Is that fish egg?
Yep.
And how are you going to cook it?
A bit of fry and a bit of oil.
No
Okay.
butter?
We'll use batter as well. Yeah, a bit of batter with a bit of
Beer butter?
beer batter with a bit of garlic salt in there as well. Yeah, you said well done. Surgeon.
And what were the tips on deboning it?
Oh, and I put a fork down here, just run across the skin, hold onto the skin, and just always cut away from you so you don't cut your hand.
It gets all the scales off at the same time.
Yep. Okay, just cut that rib cage out, and then just along here.
And does that mean it's all deboned now?
Yeah. There you go.
Magic triangle.
There you go. Nice piece of filleted fish. Maybe a little bit of waste, but hey,
At least
I
that
don't
way.
want to spend all day Sunday filleting fish.
Good job.
Okay, it's essential as well. Just make sure you have a nice sharp knife. Yeah, otherwise it's pretty dangerous. You know, you're putting a lot of force on there, and it could slip, and you could do some damage.
You didn't cut the head off first on that one?
It's alright. There we
And
go.
what fish and chip shop did your dad have?
Kelso Fish Bar up at Kelso in Townsville. Yeah, no, it was a pretty successful sort of a business.
How long did you have that?
Oh, you must have had it for about 8 years, I'd say, after you had the butcher shop, Parkside Meatland in Townsville. Yeah, so it was pretty easy just getting the skin off. As you can see, it's right down to the piece of skin. It's no wasted meat, so hey, there you go. Now we're just going to wash all the scales off it. Yeah, there's a couple of scales. You don't want to be eating your nice fish that you've just filleted and crumbed and battered and eating scales, so yeah, we'll just wash the fish. Yeah, so now I'm just washing the scales off everything. As you can see, there's the scales. Just makes it easier when you're having a nice piece of fish. There's no scales in your crumbs and your batter. Yeah, so we got fresh fish tonight, first day of the new year,
2023.
2023.